You can watch these short Idiom of the Day videos to understand common English idioms. My name is Mary and I am from Canada. This idiom is used to talk about a situation that is too time-consuming or difficult to complete. For example, I could say, I realized I bit off more than I could chew when I agreed to organize the fundraiser in addition to my regular work responsibilities. If you want to know more about this idiom, please continue to the second slide. A little history. The idiom, bite off more than you can chew, originated in the 19th century in America, a time when chewing tobacco was a widespread habit. Individuals would often share their tobacco by offering a chunk from their block. However, some would ambitiously take a larger bite than they could comfortably chew. Observing this, people started cautioning others not to take on more than they could handle, leading to the creation of this idiom. Thank you for your suggestions for other English idioms or phrasal verbs in the comments below. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye now.